We're waiting for another blast of pyro from Rick Sarge Myers and his team. Flying the fuselage again. Skip Stewart takes this airplane apart and totally rebuilds it every year to have the confidence in not only his own ability, but the trust that the airplane that he has worked so hard on will perform to its maximum capabilities each and every time he sits down and takes off for this incredible display. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we just got word. Watch out in front. Now look at that. Now, if this all works correctly, it's going to form a big smoke ring. And Skip Stewart's going to take advantage of it. You can see the smoke ring forming. And right through the middle. And he's not done yet, folks. That's twice. Now watch him roll it over on its back. Now he's going to do a Cuban 8 through it. Look at the pull. Look at the pull he got there. This smoke ring is now visible for about 100 square miles right now with its altitude.
That's amazing.
Oh, it's a good one. It appears that the only issue here will be how much gas Skip Stewart has in the tanks, because he doesn't look like he's getting tired of this at all. I've only seen this done once before in all of my travels, and that's over 300 shows that I've done since 2006, and it happened here in 2019, and he's doing it again. Looks like he's out of air show smoke. Ladies and gentlemen, he is finished. I want you to give the biggest hoot and holler for Skip Stewart and Fireworkers International Pyro. I can't hear you! Oh, that is so cool. He's going to land here in just a little bit. That is really such an incredibly impressive demo.